The hidden game of trading. The 84% win strategy that made millionaires. Have you ever wondered why only a small group of traders win again and again while most people lose everything? It's not luck. It's not just skill. It's a hidden game, a system designed so that only those who know the real rules can win. Here's a shocking truth: over 90% of traders lose money, but the top 10%, those who play differently, are making millions using what experts secretly call the 84% win strategy. Sounds crazy, right? But what if I told you that this method has nothing to do with guessing the market and everything to do with how the market traps you? In this video, you'll discover 1. The real reason most traders fail before they even start. 2. The secret pattern behind the 84% win rate that's quietly creating millionaires. 3. And the shocking truth about how modern trading platforms are psychologically designed to control your decisions. By the end, you'll never look at trading the same way again. So, let me show you exactly how this happened. Trading today looks easy. You download an app, make an account, click a few buttons, and boom, you're a trader. But behind that clean, beautiful interface lies one of the most sophisticated psychological games ever built. Let's go back a little. When financial markets first began, traders had to study charts, patterns, and news by hand. But as technology advanced, millions joined trading apps hoping for quick profits. That's when the real game began. Because the truth is, the market isn't just numbers and candles. It's a battlefield of emotion, fear, greed, and impulse. Every time you open a trade, someone else is taking the opposite side, and usually, it's not you who wins. Here's a mini shocker: the average beginner trader loses money within 14 days of starting. Not because they're bad, but because they've been trained to think like everyone else. These platforms feed on patterns of behavior, not just price. They know when you're likely to overtrade. They know when you'll chase losses. And they know the exact point when you'll finally give up right before the market reverses. But in that chaos, a small group discovered something powerful: a mathematical pattern hidden in market movement. This pattern doesn't predict the future. It measures human reaction, and that's where the 84% win rate strategy was born. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The 84% win strategy isn't magic. It's built on something every trader sees but ignores. You've probably heard traders talk about market psychology, but very few understand that every candle on a chart is just a reflection of human emotion. The 84% strategy takes advantage of this. It focuses on reaction zones, moments when fear and greed collide. These are points where beginners panic and professionals quietly enter the trade.
The 84% strategy takes advantage of this. It focuses on reaction zones, moments when fear and greed collide. These are points where beginners panic and professionals quietly enter the trade. Here's how it works simplified. When the market drops sharply, 90% of traders think it'll keep falling. They panic sell. But the data shows that after sharp emotional drops, there's an 84% chance of a short reversal within a specific time frame. Why? Because emotional movement burns out fast. The market breathes, it needs balance. And the smart traders, they wait for that moment when emotion fades and logic returns. Here's an example. Imagine a stock crashes from $100 to $90 in 10 minutes. Everyone freaks out, but the experienced trader watches calmly. He knows the pattern. He waits for a small confirmation candle. Boom, the price bounces back to $95. That small, calm decision just made him a 5% profit while everyone else lost. Now multiply that over hundreds of trades. That's how 84% win rates are built, not by guessing, but by controlling emotion while others lose theirs. But if you think that's crazy, wait until you hear this. The secret of millionaire traders isn't just strategy. It's timing plus psychology plus patience, a trio that most people never master. Let's talk about the real insiders, the traders who consistently win. They all share one hidden habit: they don't trade the market, they trade the traders. Sounds strange. Let's break it down. When everyone's buying, they're selling. When everyone's panicking, they're buying. They're not emotional, they're observant. These traders watch for what's called liquidity traps, areas where most people have placed their stop-loss orders. The market pushes toward these zones, triggers those losses, and then reverses sharply. The big traders profit from your reaction. Now here's where the 84% win pattern fits in. It identifies these trap zones before they happen. By analyzing how volume and price move together, traders can spot when the market is just faking direction to grab liquidity. Think of it like this: the market shows you a mirror. You think you're seeing opportunity, but the reflection is manipulated. Insiders call this the mirror move, a fake out followed by a reversal, and that's where the big money hides. The data behind it. Across thousands of trades analyzed between 2020 to 2024, setups based on this principle showed an average 84% success rate when combined with proper risk control. So, no, it's not a myth. It's a system based on human weakness and mathematical timing. But this brings us to the most shocking discovery of all. The real hidden game of trading isn't just in charts or patterns. It's in behavioral engineering, the invisible way trading platforms influence what you feel, see, and do. Every sound, color, and button you click is designed to trigger emotion. The flashing green candle, dopamine. The red drop, panic. The deposit now button glowing after a loss, urgency.
That's how the 84% strategy became a millionaire maker. It's not about more trades. It's about better trades made at the right emotional moment. So what does all this mean for us today? Trading today is more accessible than ever, but also more dangerous. You can start with just a few dollars, but if you don't know the game, you'll lose it even faster. The modern market is a psychological war zone, not just a financial one. Algorithms read your actions. Platforms study your timing. Even your average holding duration gives away your emotional strength. But here's the hope: you can learn to play the game on your terms. The 84% strategy teaches 3 timeless lessons. 1. Patience beats prediction. You don't need to know where the market goes, just wait for when emotion takes control, then do the opposite. 2. Data beats dopamine. Ignore the flashing colors and sounds. Trust the numbers, not your feelings. 3. Discipline builds wealth. You don't win by being right all the time. You win by being consistent, even when you're wrong. The next wave of millionaire traders won't come from luck. They'll come from understanding human behavior better than the algorithms themselves. Before we wrap up, there's one final thing you need to know. Here's the twist no one talks about. The real 84% win strategy isn't about winning 84% of trades, it's about avoiding 84% of the mistakes others make. That's the secret mindset of every successful trader. They know trading isn't a money game, it's a patience game. When you stop chasing every candle, when you learn to wait through silence, when you see patterns not in price, but in people, that's when trading finally becomes profitable. The hidden game of trading has always been the same. Control your emotion and you control your outcome. So next time you open your trading app, remember it's not you against the market. It's you against your own reaction. And if you can master that, then maybe, just maybe, you'll be the next name added to the quiet list of those who use the 84% win strategy to become millionaires.